Hi, this is Sean here, your RSA approved driving instructor with PassFirstTime.ie, Ireland's online driving school. This is tip 9 in our 30 tips in 30 days series for the month of January. What do you need to have with you on driving test day? Well, first of all, you need a car. So let's look at the items you need to make sure are correct and everything is good in your car. First of all, the car has to be roadworthy. So overall, that means the likes of tax, insurance, NCT, all your discs have to be up to date, current and legal. Your tyres have to be legal, no cuts or bulges, no tyres below 1.6 millimeters in tread depth. Brake lights and indicator lights all working. Check these even in newer cars. The car has to be clean. It is the driving examiner's place of work, so the car has to be clean and tidy. Nothing thrown around the car. Make sure it's tidy and clean. Head restraints, windows all have to be working, etc. A top tip for your car is to park it in a suitable position ahead of your driving test. Make sure it's in a place where you can leave the test centre quite easily and safely, that you don't have to be doing any difficult manoeuvres before you ever leave the test centre. Park it in a position ideally that you can drive straight out of when you are starting your driving test. It is always nice to get off to a good start. From the car we go to yourself. So let's take a look at what you need. You need your learner permit. Make sure it's your learner permit, not another family member or a friend. Make sure you have your mobile phone and that it's charged. And also, it's very handy to have a bottle of water just to stay hydrated. A top tip is to turn your phone off before you go into the test centre and leave your mobile phone in the car. There is nothing worse than the mobile phone ringing in the middle of your driving test. So turn it off, leave it in the car, and that way you will not be interrupted. Now, is there anything I've left out? Anything else you feel that you should bring on the day of your driving test? Please put it in the comments below, just in case I missed out on something. If you are doing your driving test, the best of luck with it. Be well prepared. Check all those items that I have just mentioned, and also have a look at all our videos for lots more tips, and the website PassFirstTime.ie for loads of tips to help you pass your driving test first time. Like and subscribe if you feel it's been helpful to you. Click the bell if you need notifications, and we have another tip on the way tomorrow.